If your X, formerly Twitter, account is private and you want to make it public again, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unprivate your X.com account step by step, so your posts can be seen by everyone instead of only approved followers. This is a quick setting change, but if you're not sure where to find it, I'll walk you through it clearly. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open X and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. On the left-hand side navigation menu, click on More, which is the icon with the 3 dots. This opens up additional options and settings for your account. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the account, security, and privacy controls. Once you're inside the settings menu, look for Privacy and Safety and click on it. This section controls who can see your content and how your account behaves publicly. Next, select Audience and Tagging. This is the area where you can manage whether your posts are protected or visible to everyone. Now look for the option that says Protect Your Posts. If this is turned on, your account is private, which means only people you approve can follow you and see your posts. To make your account public, simply uncheck that box or toggle it off. As soon as you do that, your X account will no longer be private and your posts will be visible to anyone who visits your profile. If you want to double check, go back to your profile and make sure the protected icon is gone. That's it. Your account is now unprivate on X.com. Just remember, once your posts are public again, anyone can view, repost, and engage with your content depending on your other settings. So it's always a good idea to review your privacy preferences before you finish. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.